Hello YouTube, Salivate Metal here with some interesting information that was sent to me anonymously about platinum. Is it losing its luster? Did it have much luster to begin with? Well, the physical properties of the metal are as such that it does not have the luster of silver. It's a duller metal, but it's much more rare than gold. So the question is what's going on with the price of platinum? It's been a little while now, for the past 6-7 years, that the price has gone down to equal or not much over gold, and now well below gold. And this article kind of talks a little bit about this. And it says the steady decline of platinum has been well documented over the last half decade or so. Reasons for the decline are few and far between. But since its value plummeted significantly in 2008, the rich man's gold has yet to recover. Andrew Haidt, a commodities and equity writer at Seeking Alpha, notes that the historically pricier precious metal can now claim to be the most affordable precious metal when compared to both gold and platinum's sister metal, palladium. As the monthly chart indicates, the price of platinum has been steadily depreciating since trading at $19.1850 per ounce in August of 2011, it's almost $2,000. By July 2014, the price had dropped to $1,514, and that was the last time platinum traded above the $1,500 level. The industry market has veered away from platinum towards what has become a more useful commodity, palladium, whose surge was previously reported here at Coin World. Rhodium has made a significant splash, with those in the valuing industry dominating much of the Asian market over the last 2 years. And rhodium at one point had reached over $10,000 an ounce. Expect this trend to continue for platinum, which hasn't traded higher than gold in nearly 3 years, and there's no indication that it will bounce back anytime soon, according to the analyst. So it's quite interesting. Palladium, I remember as a metal, buying it for, and I remember this exact dollar amount, $167 an ounce. Boy, I wish I would have loaded up more then. But the thing about platinum is, even when it's up over gold, no matter what the price is, same thing with rhodium and palladium, those are what I like to call, even though they're part of the platinum metals group, I like to call them the fringe precious metals group. Because really, none of them are money, or historically been money. Their discoveries were made much later in moving towards the industrial age in 1700s and the like, when the elements themselves were discovered. So the question is well, are they really money? Yes, we do see platinum and even palladium bullion coins, even from the major mints around the world. In fact, palladium, the United States Mint is supposed to be minting its first palladium coin sometime this year, if all goes on schedule, but it could be next year. And other mints around the world do mint some palladium coins. And of course, obviously, platinum has become a bit more popular with the Royal Canadian Mint and Perth Mint. And you've seen me showcase some of those. And I thought about maybe getting another ounce of platinum, but I think I'm going to hold off because it's just hard to really say. And not only that, but even if the price was higher than gold and I could afford it, I don't know that I would get another ounce yet, just because of the rich history that gold has. I think it's okay to acquire, and I think it's a good idea to diversify and to acquire some of these. In fact, obviously, I made a good move when I bought about 2 ounces of palladium back when it was $167 an ounce. So that was a good move. But the thing is, no one really knows the volatility and where the markets are with those, where the prices that where they'll be down the road. And in fact, could platinum disappear as an industrial metal with the rise of palladium if it's more plentiful? It's anyone's guess. We just don't know. And with the properties therein and with scientific and technological advances, will those metals be replaced altogether? We just don't know. But we do know that gold and silver have survived the scrutiny of time as money, And silver is in a very unique position because it's priced low enough and is plentiful enough that it's still being used in many different areas, a wide array for technology, biomedical field, but it's also considered money as well. So we shall see where it all lays out, but I thought this was kind of an interesting little blurb here from Coin World about platinum and how it's basically becoming a lost commodity or losing its luster, so to speak. So post your thoughts below on this interesting tidbit. And what are your thoughts? Where do you think platinum's going to be in the future? Do you think it has a future? Do you think it will ever get above gold again? I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to y'all for watching and encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.